Looks a mess. You can see the filler. Can't see any filler. Doesn't float my boat, as they say. 35 of these, solid oak, butt jointed. When we've jointed these, I've just nailed through. Very simple, because that's how the old box was. But I'll show you something. This is one of the old boxes that they've given me as a sample. But as you can see there, if you can see there, you can see the filler where they've nailed through and then filled it. And the filler's never exactly the right colour. So, looks a mess. So, I don't do it that way. What I do, as you can see here, can't see any filler. There's nails there, you can't see them. Because what I do is, where the nail holes are, you can see there, just get a bit of PVA, and I just put it in the holes, any gaps, anything, just put PVA in like that, just move it in with your finger, and when you sand over, what happens is that PVA sticks to dust, and dust goes in the holes and it fills it with dust, and when that's dry you can wax, stain, varnish, whatever you want over that, and it'll dry the same colour. Whereas if you use filler, you're going to end up with little dots like that, which most people probably say, oh, it's alright. If I do it properly, do a good job, and it's easier and it's a lot cheaper than filler. So that's what I've been on with today. So I'll show you. Got these here, look. These are the ones I've just finished. And then all the others are here, look. You can see. And that's been today's job. Before I go home tonight, going to give them a coat of Dutch oil. And then when I get here in the morning, they'll be nice and dry. And I can ship them off to the pub where they're going. And I think they hold the cutlery and napkins on each dining table. So that's another job done. So that's what I've been on with today. Don't know if there's any football on tonight. Can't stand football anyway, but I don't know. So I don't really follow it, football. It's not my, doesn't float my boat, as they say. So we'll get these last couple of bits done. Have a good evening, and I'll speak to you all tomorrow.